In this video, I'll show you how to close an options position on Robinhood step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. In order to close an options position on Robinhood, first open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Next, from your home screen, tap on the Options section in the middle of the screen to see your active options trades. Then, select the options contract you want to close. This will open the detailed view of your trade. After that, tap on the Trade button. Next, select Close to exit your position. Now, enter the number of contracts you want to close. Remember, one contract equals 100 shares, so adjust accordingly if you have multiple contracts. After entering the quantity, tap Review to see the order details and confirm the price. Optionally, you can adjust the time in force at the top right corner. Good for today. Order attempts to execute only today. Good for 90 days. Order will attempt to execute every day until filled or cancelled. Finally, tap Continue and Submit to close your position. Your trade will be executed once a buyer or seller is matched on the other side. Your closed options will then disappear from your active positions, and any proceeds will appear in your buying power. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.